Number 2, uses of that with examples. That is used to render various functions in English grammar. As a determiner, as a demonstrative pronoun, as a relative pronoun, and as a conjunction in that clauses. A. Examples of that as a determiner. 1. That car is mine. 2. That house is still let. 3. That movie is fantastic. B. Examples of that as a demonstrative pronoun. 1. That is my office. 2. That is his car. 3. Is that your pen? C. Examples of that as a relative pronoun for people, animals, and things. 1. This is the boy that met me yesterday. 2. This is the dog that was barking then. 3. The idea that occurred to me was to close the shop. The examples of that as a conjunction in that clauses. 1. Are you sure that he will quit his job? He confessed that he stole the watch. He knew that he would be caught. 3. Uses of who with examples.